What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are at Hobby Lobby, and we're gonna go in there and find something fun to do. Let's do it. Let's go. No wasting time. Hobby Lobby. Did you have fun at the Hobby Lobby?
Yeah.
There's lots of cool stuff to look at, huh? All the flowers.
Yeah, we got the slimes.
We got the slimes, and for my adult entertainment, I got the Da Vinci series clock, which that should be fun. But we're gonna do slime first. I've already prepared the slime in here. You had to pour water in and shake it.
Daddy, we'll open them. So, thank you for.
We are gonna see how it turned out. We've let them sit for a minute after pouring the water in, and we will see. Oh.
That's slime. Daddy will open mine.
Hold on.
Daddy, open mine.
Hold on. Let's see. Daddy can get this one out. Trying to flatten it out here. So let's see. We can carefully mix the foam balls in there so we don't lose any foam balls.
Yeah, we don't want them to go everywhere.
No, we don't.
We don't want that.
Oh wow.
That's gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be cool, but it's gonna be tough to get them in there. Let's see if we can do it without making a big mess. Wow. Oh geez, they're going. There they go. Uh-oh. We gotta mix them in. Oh gosh. Okay, this one I think worked better. Wow, this one's real. Oh my goodness. I don't know about this one, Billy Rose. This one might be, this one might not be slime. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, we're 2 for 3. This one might not be working out so well. We will see if I can work it together, but I don't at this point.
Daddy, that's okay. We can only use these slimes.
Yeah, this one didn't work out very well, I don't think, sweetie. I think this one we're gonna have to throw this one away. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, and we will see you.
Daddy, give me the blue lid. Daddy, give me the blue lid.